Hi, this is Jessica with RxNT, and today I'm going to be providing a high-level overview of the RxNT mobile apps for e-prescribing. These applications can be used as a standalone product, or they can be used fully integrated into the rest of our product solution. Our e-prescribing apps are also available for download on an iOS platform, so your iPhones, your iPads, and also on Android devices. And both applications are certified with the DEA requirements in mind. So what that means is that you can actually send all of your prescriptions electronically, including the controlled medications, right from a mobile device. To get started, you'll actually log into the application on your mobile device, and this is the screen that you will launch into. This is where you'll be able to either add a new patient or search by an existing patient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and search for an existing patient. And I'll just go ahead and search for Tom Johnson. Now I want to point out that when you search by last name, we will return all of the results for the patients that meet that criteria. And I just want to mention that I'm just tapping and scrolling through to find the patient that I'm looking for. And of course, you'll notice that we actually open up this search. So we include additional fields that you can search by so that you can find the patient that you're looking for quickly. Once you find the patient, simply tap on the patient's name. And this will launch you into the patient's profile. This is where you will see a full list of current medications for your patients. If you want to prescribe an existing medication for this patient, simply tap on the medications that you want to prescribe. This not only checks the box, but it also makes it very simple for you to click Refill. By clicking Refill, this will allow you to review the medications and quickly identify the pharmacy that you want to send this to. But for today's demonstration, I want to show you how to create a new medication. You can always search a list of your favorite medications in this top column by just tapping on favorites. But if you really are prescribing a new medication from scratch, simply search here in the Write Rx tab. And because our application is certified to send controlled medications electronically, I'm going to search for a controlled medication. And you'll notice I did a partial search for Adderall. Based on that partial search, we are returning all of those results for you so that you can quickly identify which medications that you would maybe want to prescribe. From here, you'll simply click on the medication that you want to prescribe, and you'll be launched into a list of recommended SIGs. These are preloaded based on FDA recommendations. Now, you can also set up 75 custom SIGs per drug. These are just prescription shortcuts so that you don't have to type in the same information over and over again. And these will be available for you right here once you set those up. Otherwise, you can simply tap on the recommended SIG, and you'll notice that everything here is pre-populated. All you have to do is select the quantity that you want to prescribe. Once you tap on the quantity, you can scroll through this medication and you can make modifications if you need to. And maybe every time that you prescribe this medication, you want to have the quantity as 12 tablets. Or maybe you just want this to be an option. You can actually create a custom SIG on the fly right here within our solution. Otherwise, from here, you have the option to add an additional medication for this patient, or you simply tap Next. Next launches you into the patient's favorite pharmacy list. And this is something that we are going to save for you automatically. So once you send the first prescription to a pharmacy for a patient, we'll add that pharmacy to the patient's favorite list. Now, of course, if you draw your attention to the bottom of the screen here, you'll be able to access a list of your favorites, and you'll be able to search a database of all of the pharmacies in the United States. But today, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'll simply tap on Demo Pharmacy. And from here, you have the option to review all of the medication information. Now, if this were a non-controlled medication, when I tap Send, this will actually instantly release the medication. But because this is a controlled medication, when I tap send, I'm prompted to complete what's known as two-factor authentication. So here I'll tap to enter my RxNT login password, the password that you use to access the RxNT system. And here I will tap to enter my one-time PIN password. This is going to be generated from the token that you've selected. This is a physical device that actually generates a one-time PIN. Now, you can download the token onto a mobile application as well, and we certainly invite you to talk to one of our product experts about what that might look like and what options there are available to you. But once you type in that 6-digit PIN, from here you can click send, and that's going to instantly release that medication to the pharmacy. Now again, this is intended to be a high-level presentation of the RxNT mobile application. So we certainly recommend that you talk to one of our product experts to go a little bit more in depth. That way you can see exactly how this product would meet your needs. And of course, we can answer any questions that you might have. Thank you and have a great day.